What is your biggest dream? Have you ever asked yourself that question? Have you ever struggled to make your dream come true? Have you ever suffered for it? Have you ever cried? How many sleepless nights have you had? What risks did you take to make this happen? What actions have you taken? Have you ever prayed to heaven to make it happen? Has anyone ever reached out to you? This documentary will surely help you understand the essence of life, the importance of nature, animals, and human beings. Stay tuned. Even Lion's Dream is currently being filmed in Kenya.